Well, hello and good morning to episode 23 of Diver Dave's Social Distancing Omelet Series. Today, on behalf of the birthday boy, Mr. John Biondo, I'm going to be making a Western omelet with bacon. We have 4 slices of Applegate bacon, which I'm going to cook correctly indoors, which you do not cook in a frying pan. You actually broil it in a toaster oven for about 15 to 20 minutes on the grilling rack. The Western omelet consists of chopped bell peppers, yellow peppers, and green peppers, some diced ham, which will be sauteed in bacon fat. That's my personal preference. 2 jumbo eggs, some Monterey Jack cheese, and of course the Kerrygold butter. We're going to construct the omelet. We're going to saute the vegetables. I'm going to be cooking the bacon in the toaster oven. And let's get started. Okay, so what I've done is I've lined my toaster oven to catch all the lovely bacon fat to use for other meals. I put the bacon in the toaster oven, turn it on, set the temperature to broil, and I'm going to set the time for 15 minutes. Oh, do I wish this was Bluetooth, that I could just type the number. We'll check on that periodically. Okay, I'm going to heat up the frying pan. Put this on a medium heat. Let that get up to temperature. And in the meantime, I'm going to crack the 2 eggs and set them off to the side. Okay, now the pan's up to temperature. I'm going to take the bacon fat and just let it render down again. Bacon fat adds just so much flavor to things that need more flavor, or you want to cut down the sharpness of the peppers. Okay, the bacon fat is completely rendered. So now I'm going to take my spatula and first add the peppers into the mixture. I will let these saute down, releasing some of the water and getting wilted. Bring out some of the color. And then in about a minute I'll add the diced ham. Okay, about a minute's gone by. This is looking nice. I'm going to add the diced ham. In the meantime, in my brand new black steel pan, I am going to cut about my normal 2 tablespoons of butter. And get that started. Yesterday there was no video because I spent about 2 hours seasoning the pan. Okay, the butter has melted. So now I'm going to beat the butter into the eggs. And as soon as this is done, I can tell the peppers and ham are also finished. Get this nice and frothy. And I'm going to set that off to the side. Now, I will take my spatula and slowly guide the lovely peppers and ham into the frying pan. From the frying pan into the side dish to plate later. Now back to the burner. We pour in our egg batter. Oh, of course, at low heat. We'll see how this new frying pan does. It was nice and silver like the other one, but this is black steel. So hopefully I seasoned it well enough. I didn't try it afterwards. And now I'm gonna dome it up. Okay, so let's check on it. That's nice. Let's see if it moves freely. Oh yeah, we're doing good. Cooking with gas. All right, so we're gonna now flip the omelet. You can see there's still a lot of, it's not completely solid on top. Nice turn. We will now take our lovely peppers and ham, move it onto the omelet, spread it out evenly. Take the cheese, nice and generous. And now we're gonna fold her over. Wow, isn't that pretty? And I'm gonna close her down again. Dome it up, dome it up. Okay, the bacon is done. So we will take it out of the toaster oven and put it onto a paper towel to get out whatever is left of the bacon fat. See, when you cook it in the toaster oven, it's nice and flat, gets perfect color, everything's great. Let's uncover the omelet, see how it's looking. Wow, look at that. The cheese is all melted. Everything is beautiful in its own way. So now I'm going to get the plate up, scoop up the omelet, turn off the heat, and plate her on down. Now I will take the bacon, and complete the dish. Well, there you have it for the birthday boy, John Biondo. A beautiful Western omelet with bacon. And now I will take a bite. Here's your Western omelet, John. Delicious. I know what I'm having for breakfast. Hope you're enjoying yours.